Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some incoming Happy Mail. And this is a first time swap with Linda, and I'll have her Instagram link down below. But you guys, I thought we were doing a total simple swap with a flip book, and she sent me a box filled with goodies. Like, what? Look at this box. It says, "Love makes everything grow." And this flower, I'm totally taking you off and saving you. So cute. She has that Maggie Holmes die, which is like impossible to find unless you want to pay like $100 for it on Amazon. So cute. But look, you guys, isn't this the cutest? Oh my god. Let's dig in. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box. She totally spoiled me. I'll leave the candy inside. Look, you guys, she sent me so much candy. My daughter's gonna totally rob me for all of this. And look at all the crinkle paper. How fun. I'm gonna put the ones that I took out over here back inside the box, and we're gonna move the box over so we can see what she sent. First thing I see here is some, I think this is adhesive trim. Yes, it is. She sent some adhesive trim. You guys can see that, and it's pink, my favorite color. Love this. She sent me some paper flowers, and also my favorite color, the peach and the mint. Cute. And then there's this, and it's like a little treat bag, and we're going to open it. Oh, owls! How cute! This is adorable. It's by K and Company. Smash. Look how cute this owl is. I love this. It's so cute. Let's put them right back in there because I need to take individual pictures. There's another little treat bag right here with a little clip holding it closed. And I got some other little confetti bits. I'll put that in the box. Let's see. She sent me so many goodies. Oh my god, look at these movie stickers. You guys, these are so cool. I've never seen this. She sent me some doilies. I don't have any mini yellow ones. Some stickers. I don't have any of these. And these cute little bows. Oh my god, thank you so much, Linda. If you're watching, thank you so much. I didn't expect for you to send me all of this, but I appreciate it so much. Who else does that? Who else puts everything back the way you get it? I have to always do that. She made me a tag, and it says 2018 on her shirt. How cute is that? This is so cute. And I have like the acetate. So cute. I can't wait to open this bear because I feel like there's something inside of him. Oh my god, I think I saw this on her Instagram. And it's like a poster card. We're still gonna open this. Look how adorable. It's a big toaster. Oh my god. It says, "I'm toast without you." Are you guys seeing this cuteness? I love this. I saw this on her Instagram. And I saw somebody else. I think Sabrina Ann did a video on them. It's like a die, I think. So cute, and now I have one. She made me some embellishments. Look at that. Oh, look at the little bear holding the coffee cup. Oh my god, these are so cute. I love the embossing on the paper. You guys definitely have to check her out. Linda has so many cute stuff on her Instagram. So cute. Here are some puffy stickers. Oh, these are nice. I've never seen these either. I love the colors. So girly and fun. I want to open this little bear. Isn't he the cutest? Oh, you know I am saving this trim. I'm going to take it off this way. Oh my god, look at this little bear, you guys. How cute is he? Okay, let's see how we open him. How do we open you? Oh wait, I think it opens. Oh my god, does it open like one way? I think his head opens this way and it has like a bunch of, let me just take it out. She stuffed him. Wait, I'm confused. How do you open the bear? Oh, I was having a blonde moment there. It was stuffed, you guys, to the top with all these goodies. We're gonna go through them. She sent me, you guys see them? Some little, let me bring the focus up. Nice. What's wrong with my focus? It won't focus. Okay, so she sent me some cute little gems. She sent me a cute little clip. Some tags. Little die cuts. Wow, she stuffed him up with a bunch of goodies. A bunch of die cuts, you guys. Look at this. More little gems. More little die cuts. Look at this button. It says, have a good morning. More little die cuts. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I can't believe you sent me all of this. Look at all these little die cuts and stuff. These little tags that she cut out. You guys see this? Am I even in frame? Some butterflies, some little chipboard pieces. Wow, there's a lot here. Look at these little scissors. You guys see that? More little, like little gems. Look at that. Little puffy stickers. Whoa, thank you so much, girlie. You gave me so much. Look at this. Let me just put them all over here for now. And then there's more die cuts, like even vellum pieces. I'm trying to get them off in my hand. Like, look at that. Totally spoiled me. So many pieces. But I love this bear. He's so cute. Where'd you get him? He's adorable. And I'm definitely keeping this little piece of trim because I saved everything. And then lastly, it's this bag. Like, it's not enough. She didn't have to send me all of this. I think this is the actual flip book. Tag flip. Oh, look how pretty, you guys. Look at all the little trim pieces. And then there's like an envelope in here with some goodies. More little die cuts. Put that back. I don't want to get ruined. We got this cute little tag. You're so sweet. Oh, look at this one with the vintage paper. You will forever be my always. February 14th. Another little tag. Oh, how cute. Little girl in her bathing suit. I like that paper in the background. Another little tag. This little pack of gems. A little shaker. Best friends. Oh, this is cute. Look at this one. Oh, look at the little daily news. I like the die cuts that she has. I don't have anything like that. Like the vintagey. She did such a good job on this tag flip. So different and unique. Look at this one. It says, "Hey girl." Ooh, is that the, I think this is Amy J. For you. Oh, look at all the little, it says retro signs. Cool. And this is my little notes, which I'll read off camera. We loved with a love that has more than love. Cute little bingo card. I think that's Amy J Designs. She sent me some of her flowers. Yay, now I have some. They're so big and pretty. I love them so much. She makes a ton. But yeah, you guys, that's the little tag flip that she sent me. Isn't this such an amazing package, you guys? Like, totally spoiled me. So many goodies. I love everything so much. If you're watching, Linda, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate your package so much. I'm glad to call you my new pen pal. And yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.